Going to teach you how to change your startup disk in Sonoma on your Apple computer. So this can be useful for a number of reasons. You can actually, let's say you have an old laptop or an old iMac and it's very slow, your internal drive. You can hook an external drive up to it and you can actually boot the operating system onto that external drive, making the new drive much faster than your original computer. So your computer is not using your internal hard drive anymore to do its processing and everything it has to do. In my case, my Mac went black, and when I talked to Apple, one guy had me wipe or erase all my stuff because I had a Time Machine backup. And then when I called the second time, the guy said, I don't know why he had erased before he checked everything, because my Time Machine backup had much more, on my external hard drive, had much more data, 3 terabytes, much more data than can be restored back onto my 1 terabyte hard drive internally. So what I had to do in that case, you can put an operating system, you can put Mac OS onto an external hard drive and boot off that. So you can have a 5 terabyte hard drive, then do a Time Machine backup onto that so your stuff isn't lost. Other than that, they were saying my only option was to buy a computer with over a 5 terabyte hard drive, which would be financially not very smart. So they kind of either didn't know that you could, well, I don't know how they couldn't know that, but those are some of the examples why you would want to have different startup disks. And there may be other reasons too, but you're going to click on system. They don't have system preferences anymore. That's the old Macs. System settings. It's going to bring this up. And then here you're going to go to general, and then you're going to go to startup disk. And it's that simple. Right here, here's my Time Machine backup with my 3 terabytes of information running the new operating system. And that's what we're looking at here. We're running off of that external hard drive. Many people don't know that you can do that. So the computer works as normal using the external hard drive as its drive, and I installed Sonoma on that. But now I want to be able to switch back and forth. So you simply click this one and you would press restart, and it will get you back to your internal drive. Once you're there, if you want to go back to your external drive as your startup disk, then just go back to system settings, general, startup disk, and then highlight this one and restart. I think you'll be asked to ask your password as well, because you're making a major change on the computer protocol. So that is it, how to switch between startup disks on the Mac.